Just assalamu alaikum, welcome back. So this is the camera test, the full camera test of the Xiaomi Mi 10 using a gimbal. That's why it's so steady and on the front. Of course, I'm going to show you by the end of this video the video test raw footage with just handheld footage with the Xiaomi Mi 10. Anyway, what a great device indeed. Still have to admit that they didn't kind of improve the dynamic range and exposure. Should be better with their smartphones. They're getting more expensive and it should be better. Anyway, let's move now with the handheld test. This is 1080p 60 fps video test with the Xiaomi Mi 10. Beautiful colors, so natural, man. They are not oversaturated at all. They are basically how my eyes are seeing. Again, it's not like 100% the same, but it's very close. It's very close to that one. Beautiful, Mi 10. 1080p, 30 fps. Zoom 2.5 times. That quality is there. Okay, this is ultra wide camera lens, 1080p, 30 fps walk-in. You can see by yourself what kind of video stability it has. Awesome. Xiaomi Mi 10. Macro test, video sample. This is 1080p 30 fps Xiaomi 10 with the Tech gimbal, which is selling under $90. Is probably the cheapest best gimbal that you can buy, under $90 over the Banggood and Gear Best. So yeah, Xiaomi Mi 10. What else can I say? With its own software and digital optimization, video stability test altogether, and included also when you pair it with the gimbal, you get really impressive results, like you see by yourself. Beautiful. You can have the buying links below for both of these products.
Say sorry, and I'm just a liar.